What is going on, Takeoff Tribe? Today I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank plus YouTube fast. And there's a couple of ways to do this, but before we begin, I just want to show you some of my results so you know that this is actually legit and you know that this can help you a lot. And just imagine you making $3,000 in one day, or $2,000 or $1,000 or even $8,000 in just one day. What would that do for your life? I think you can probably relate to not having so much, and then all of a sudden you're making $8,000 in a week. That's pretty good stuff. Now, why is Clickbank important? And the key is that it's the easiest affiliate network to sign up to. It has a lot of high converting products and a lot of different niches. You make 50% plus of the commission, and it's digital products, not physical products. And you know, when you have a digital product, you can make a lot more commissions than on a physical product. You know, Amazon is like 5%, which is not really good. Now, what's involved in Clickbank? Well, it's finding a high quality affiliate product that you want to sell and making videos around the Clickbank product and then effectively selling that affiliate product. Now, I just want you to imagine again that this is your Clickbank account and you log into your Clickbank account and then you say, oh my God, I'm making $3,000 in a day. I'm making $1,000 in a day. And all of this is passive income. I just wanted you to see it in your mind and believe it before I teach you all of this right now. So there's two different ways to go about it. And that is direct affiliate link and email opt-in bridge or autoresponder. Now, if you don't know what an email opt-in is, it's basically just a page that says, hey, I want your email. If you don't know what a bridge page is, it's just a page with a video bridging you to the affiliate product. And then an autoresponder is basically sending emails to them automatically with something like a GetResponse or ConvertKit. So I'm going to show you examples of both these right now. And the first one is numerology secrets. So he has a lot of different videos about numerology. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically a spiritual thing. And what he has is in the link in the description. It literally has this numerology secret link and it takes them to the affiliate program. And you can see that it's the affiliate program because it's hop equals numeral, and numeral is the affiliate that is doing this. Now I want you to show you what this is if we were to go bridge, if we were to go opt-in page and then bridge page and then follow up with emails. So this is one of my students. He has a keto solution, really good channel. So here you can click to get keto4u.life, and this is the opt-in page. So you can say Andy here, you can do test123 at gmail.com, and then we can click on download now. And once you've done that, he will have a bridge video, and this is so effective because once you tell your story, once you tell why they should buy an affiliate product, instead of, let's say, just go to this affiliate sales page, you're gonna basically move or bridge your credibility from your YouTube channel over to the affiliate product. So they might not trust the affiliate product yet, and this is the reason that they're not trusting it, because you haven't really told anything about the product. But here, he basically tells the story of how he was fat and overweight. And then the problem was that he couldn't find any recipes, keto recipes, until he found this affiliate product. So he searched on Google, and then he found this really, really awesome keto diet plan, or your custom keto diet plan. And that's how he lost all the weight and yada, yada. And then you click on this, and just like that, we're on the sales page of the affiliate product. So you can see how this is two different ways to go about it. I think I have maybe a drawing. This is a nightmare mode. We're not going to talk about nightmare mode today, boys. So if you think about number one, the first way, or you think about number two, it's like they watch the YouTube video and then they get directly to the sales page. But in number two, they watch the video and then they get taken to a bridge page, which is like email and name, just like that, email, name, and then they get a different video talking about the affiliate product, and then they can decide to buy. What is going on? Why is it so dumb right now? Okay, we're just gonna do it like that. Oh my God, what is happening? Was it because I did this? No, it's just even worse now. Yeah, this is a sign. This is a dollar sign, guys. Now, the thing with, if you do the first method, which you can do, oh my God, I'm going to kill myself, dudes. Now it works well. If you do the first strategy, you're just going to get somebody to see the product one time. Now, the thing with affiliate marketing is that you need to get somebody to see the product at least 7 times before they decide to buy. These are old stats that you can look at. And 7 times, that means for number one, all you need is to get subscribers. So you get somebody to subscribe to your channel. He gets a subscribe notification every time you publish another video, and that's how he can be able to get access to the affiliate product, right? So if you post 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different videos, this subscriber will have a chance of going down and looking at the link 7 times. Now, this is the slow way. This is a really slow way. If you get somebody to watch your video, first of all, he's gonna be subscribed. So he will be subscribed, and then he will actually watch your YouTube videos every time you publish a video that he's interested in. Now, that's fine, but if you get his email list, you will also have him on your email list, and then you can send him, first of all, you can send him to your YouTube videos, your new YouTube videos, which I highly recommend. We're all talking about value pitch, so VVP. So you send to two videos, and then once you send to 2 videos, you can then send to this affiliate sales page, and you can keep sending it here and here and again and again. And that's really how you optimize all of it. Now, this guy right here, he might be on your list for 1 day or 30 days, or what we see, which is about the 6-month retention rate for people that go onto our email list. Now, instead of just selling this one product down here, you can actually sell a bunch of other products as well, and the money is in the list, guys. It's crazy to me how many people don't do email marketing. It's so stupid not to do, and especially this bridge page right here, and nobody is doing. So this is the way you make a lot of money on Clickbank and on Digistore 24, especially Warrior Plus, JVSU, and stuff like that. It's all in this opt-in page right here, and it's all in this bridge page right here. So let's recap all of it. Basically, how you make money on Clickbank and YouTube fast is find a high quality affiliate product, making videos around that Clickbank product, and effectively selling that affiliate product. So we've been talking about how to effectively sell that affiliate product through emails and subscriptions and stuff like that. Basically, this is the funnel, and I have more tutorials on how to write the best emails and stuff like that. But I want to show you how to find a good affiliate product first of all. So you should go to accounts.clickbank.com/marketplace, or just Google clickbank.com/marketplace. And then you could do all these categories if you want to. But what I do is just literally have a blank sales page or search right here. And then you'll find the best offers. And you're going to sort by gravity. And the more gravity it means, the more popular it is. This right here means that 812 people have sold this product in the last 30 days. I think it's a 30 days at least, and they are made $103. And we can go down and we can see like this right here is for dietary supplements. This is also a dietary supplement, diet remedies. So here is a different thing, which is a remedy. Conservation slash efficiency. Alternatively, so this is the one that we just looked at, numerologist, and you can see it has a gravity of 220. It's really, really good. And you can see that these are like affiliate marketing, email marketing, crafts and hobbies like woodworking. But you should look into this and then think, you could make an entire channel just around one of these. So for example, brain training for dogs. You could be making just 100 different brain training for dogs and just promote directly to the affiliate link. But if this is a new YouTube channel that you're doing and this is your first time making a YouTube channel, I highly recommend you set this up. You set this up, this email automation thing that I'm going to show you in different videos, called money funnels and how to send proper emails. If you do this, you'll maximize the amount of money you make by literally tenfold. I cannot believe that people just rely on AdSense when you have this affiliate marketing funnel and this email sequence. Now, the negative thing with this is if you're going to make 10 different YouTube channels, you might want to make more emails and add them to your automation funnel. And that is going to take some time. And let's say you have 10 different YouTube channels. Well, it's going to take some time to write 10 different emails to 10 different niches and stuff like that. So for me, I actually have both, where I have both some of my YouTube channels sends directly to an affiliate page, some send directly to an email page. But I know that if I do this one, I always make more money. It's just because of logistics that I do this one. So yeah, I'm going to teach you all about that in future videos. But those are the fastest way to make money on Clickbank. Now, let's talk about making videos around the Clickbank product. Making videos around the Clickbank product is, for example, well, it's pretty obvious, to be honest. Think about it like this. So you always start with the product first. Can we get a new one? Can we get a hallelujah? You always start with the product in mind first. So let's say that it's, let's say we were going to sell one of these remedies. So this one, diabetes freedom. So you always start with the sales page. And as you can see right here, why does this green veggie cause type 2 diabetes? And you are obviously seeing who they want to target. Well, it's people that have type 2 diabetes because they have a real big problem and they want that solved. So you should think about that. Okay, type 2 diabetes. Well, what sort of content would somebody want to watch that have type 2 diabetes? Well, how to remove type 2 diabetes, how to insulin stuff, and all different types of type 2 diabetes and weight loss on diabetes, and just make a ton of content around diabetes. And then you send them directly to the sales page, or you send them to the email opt-in and the funnel. I'm just going to write a funnel right here. You either send them directly to it, or you send them to a funnel right here that will take them to this. So you might have a story of, I used to be fat and I actually had type 2 diabetes and I struggled a lot with it until I found this product right here, and that is called diabetesfreedom.org. And that's how I got my life back on track again, so I could run around and don't worry about dying, just because I got this product. And that's the bridge page, you know. And then you sell the affiliate product just like that. So you have to think about the product first, and then think about the hook that you're going to get them in, and then think about the content you can create around that. Those are really, and it's very important that your content and affiliate product matches well. Because if I was selling weight loss program and my affiliate link would be to how to gain more muscle, those are two different niches. So weight loss and muscle building are obviously two completely different niches. And some people think that, hey, I have a health YouTube channel so I can promote everything. Well, that's not necessarily right. So yep, that's it. I think we've covered all of it in this video, how to make money on Clickbank. Obviously, more content in this module about how to send profitable emails, about how to make the opt-in page, and all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.